All right, guys, so back in the shop today. Oh, I don't even know where to start. Got the heat on, let it warm up in here a little bit. It's freezing cold today. Beautiful day outside though. Let's give you a quick look at that. It is so crystal clear. I'm loving it. Like, look at it out here. This is in February in BC. We've got that beautiful sun out there. Yeah, I think today I kind of want to get these mounts mocked up for the frame. The pocket for the cab mount is cracked, rotted, rusted, barely anything remaining. So the plan is to kind of cut it off about here and then remake that piece, weld on a nut on the back side, and have that ready to receive the new cab mounts. Unfortunately, that's the good side. This side over here is a little worse. So this side here is going to be the same thing. So hopefully we can make this pretty straightforward and have no issues. We got sheet metal. So now we've got to strip the interior out of this Jeep. That's actually pretty nasty in there. Not looking forward to definitely gonna be cutting it a little bit more than I was hoping to. I'm fearful to see the other side because I'd imagine it's probably right there along with it. So anyways, we got the metal, we got the tools, we're cutting her out. Take this mighty mini bender, 30 inch as they call it, clamp this down to the bench top. Alright, so yeah, we got our two other clamps. We're going to get our steel. You can see our lines. We're hopefully going to bend, yeah, we're going to bend the two inner bends and then we're going to do the two outer ones with the, in the vise. So the more over top of the steel you can get these closer together, the better your bend's going to be, the less this reaction plate, I guess you want to call it, is going to deflect. So that is the plan, like so. So you can see that there. So now so I'm actually pretty happy with that. And we're going to do this to the other side. Well lined up there, I'm happy with that. I think that's pretty good. Alright guys, you can see it's a little turned in at the end there, a little bit overbent. I'm not going to sweat that too much. I'm pretty confident. Get over here. I'm not going to sweat that too much. I'm pretty confident that we'll be able to straighten that out. Like this here. So, gonna get our hole saw in the drill press. Pull that out, put in the big one here. This is the one that we use for the body mount cutout. So, one thing we did last time was I've got a brake lathe, and we used the cones and an old bearing race to substitute as a dimple die. So that's what we're going to do next year. So, oh, that actually really wasn't the best die. It's not squared in there, but it's a downside to the situation we have to work with in that. So. So we are going to cut a 1/4 inch strip so that we can stand off that to make more of a pocket, the same way we did this one here.
Nothing will